If you are an author or a proofreader, you will receive an email notification that proofs are ready for review. Click on the link in the email to access the SmartAccess page. SmartAccess is a personalized page that displays the books you have access to and the files you can work on. The files displayed in SmartAccess will have at least one task pending either with you or your role. There are two vertical panes on this screen. The pane on the left has the current book name on top and the greeting below. If you have access to more than one book, then you can click on the toggle icon at the right of this pane and a grid listing all books you have access to will be displayed. Use the search bar for quick search of books. The pane on the right has placeholders for the files that you can work on. The same files will be accessible to all others having a similar role. The Help button takes you to the SmartAccess section of the Help section. The Tour button gives a tour of SmartAccess page. The Exit button will exit from the interface and the Move Stage button will move the files to the next stage of the workflow. Clicking on a chapter box will display on the left panel a list of files or tasks that are still to be completed. Select the WYCIWYG action from the yellow arrow next to the chapter file. WYCIWYG action will open PageMagic's online proofreading interface. On the left is the proof PDF, on the right is an editable XHTML version of this file. The two files are synchronized at a paragraph level. Click here for a full screen view. Review the PDF as you normally would. When you need to make a change, click on the paragraph. WYCIWYG will automatically highlight the corresponding paragraph in the XHTML pane. Make any textual change and then you can go back to reviewing the PDF. You will see that the change is tracked by default, and the name of the person making the change is automatically displayed on hover. The tools and functions are similar to those in Microsoft Word. Clicking on the comment icon will open a commenting pane, where you can respond to queries, if any. You can also add new comments by clicking on the relevant part of the text and then selecting the comment option with a right click on a PC or a control click on a Mac. If you wish to pause your review and resume later, you can click on the Exit button. Do not click on the back button of the browser to exit the interface. Once you finish your proof review, click on the Finish button at the top right corner of the WYCIWYG interface. This will move the chapter out of your queue. Some chapter folders like the front matter may contain multiple files like the title page, dedication, table of contents, and so on. To access the additional files within front matter, click Open at the top of the WYCIWYG page. A drop-down of files will be displayed, and you can select the file you would like to review next. If you have multiple files to be moved to the next stage, save the edits made in WYCIWYG and exit. At the right top corner of the landing page is a Move Stage shortcut. Click on this shortcut to bring up a pop-up of files that can be moved. Files that you have opened in WYCIWYG and have not been moved to the next stage using the Finish button in WYCIWYG will alone be displayed here. You can move all or individual files by selecting the associated checkboxes. Select Revised Proofs as the next stage and then click on the Move button at the bottom right corner to complete the action.